In this session, we will check how we can install Talend data integration into our system. So for that, what you can do, we can go to google.com and you can search data talent integration. So if you click on search for data talent integration, you will get so many links. You can check for the first link, which is official link for Talent, where it shows this is the data integration solution. So if you click on this, you will get a free trial. Okay, as we are searching, as we are trying to learn, so let's go for the free trial. Click on the free trial. In the left side you will see the different options. Okay, means different things that you need to fill up first to get the free trial version. First of all, you need to provide your email ID. Then what is the first name, what is the last name. If any company you are working in, then you can provide the company name, else you can provide any, you can provide your phone number and the country that you are residing and the industry that you are working. Industry, if you are not working, you can just mention it as education because we are learning it. Then you can provide a suitable job title. If you are not having else, what you can do, you can just write NA or education. Okay, if once you fill up all these details, then this request free trial will get enabled. You can click on this. Once you click on this, the mail ID that you have provided in this business mail ID, you will get a link. You will get a mail from Talent. Uh, let's go to the, I have already requested the free trial version and I already got the mail. So let's check the mail how I got. So you can see this is the mail that I got. I got it from talentteam@talent.com. This is the mail ID from where I got this mail. And if you see, it provides the link how we can get, how we can install the Talend data integration tool in our system. So basically there are three links we will get. One is for Windows software, one is for Mac software, one is for either Linux, or we can use the zip file. Zip file means it is like a plug and play. So you can click either of based on your suitability. uh, I can show you how I installed using if I click on Windows software, a new link will be opened. I can show you how that icon is. So once I clicked on that, a file got downloaded in my system like this. This is a Windows installer file. So if you double click on this, the Talend will get installed in your system. So this is one way. The other way is using the zip file. If you click on this zip file, so a zip file will get installed, will get downloaded into a system like this. And once it is downloaded, once the download is complete, you can just unzip it. So I have already unzipped it. So you can see there you will get all these files. Then what you need to do, you need to go to this TOSDI win. And if you double click on this, the icon will get opened, the tool will get opened. Just double click on it. You will get a Windows like a Talend Open Studio for data integration. One thing to note, you, okay, I have already opened that. Let me just close this first. One thing to note, when you open TOSDI data integration, the supported JDK should be installed in your system. This version that I have downloaded, the link that I got from Talent, it supports JDK 11 version or above. Earlier I had JDK 8, so that's why this was not opening. So I installed JDK 11 and above version, and then after that, if I double click on that, it got opened. Let me double click on that. It will take some time to open. If you're opening for the first time, you can just click on create a new project. I have already opened it earlier, so I can see the existing project that I have. So what you can do, you can just click on create new project. Then you can type any name, suppose say test one. then click on create. So then that particular project will get selected and you click on finish. So once you click on finish, it will try to bring in all the libraries and it will try to open it. This process will take some time, maybe around 1 to 2 minutes of time. Yeah, after that you can see this window will open. This is the Talend Open Studio. And this is the home screen that you will be getting once you open the Talend Open Studio data integration. Here it contains a repository, and under this job design you will get the list of jobs that you have designed and what all are the context variables, what all are the metadata there. You will get all those details here. This is the repository, and this is the palette, the different components that we have that Talend supports. It will be available here. It will only come when you open the job. A new job is opened. This is a design window where you can design all the jobs from your side, like drag the component from here and bring it into the design. And here you will get all the properties for each component. If you click on any of the component, it will show you the properties here. So this is the basic thing, how you can install the data integration tool, Talend tool in your system, and how you can create a new project in your system, and how you can just get started. I hope this is helpful for you. Thanks.